Hello, welcome to Spanish 101. This is Mrs. Silva Cisneros. I'm going to be your online teacher. I just wanted to say welcome to my class. Welcome to your class. It's going to be a fun class where you're going to be able to put your Spanish into practice. I just wanted to introduce yourself and teach you the values of how productive it is to learn Spanish. Currently, I am in Peru, next to the Pacific Ocean, and I got to practice my Spanish when I order. I'm at a restaurant, and I got to order very delicious ceviche food right here next to the ocean. As you can see, I have a discussion for greeting in which I want you to introduce yourself to your classmates. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your likes, your dislikes. And like for me, what I like to do, I like to travel. So right now, I am in South America, in Peru. I got to do Machu Picchu and use my Spanish to do so. So I hope with learning Spanish, you will also have the opportunity to travel. Enjoy learning Spanish. Bye-bye.